focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
I'm back with some human hair that I'm super excited about because I picked this unit up from Julia Hair. Y'all know how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try a human hair wig or human hair a couple of times from a company before I can vet them, and once they're vetted, I add them to my rotation. I vetted Julia Hair a long time ago. Definitely one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. Looking at the description box, you see all the details on this wig as well as a direct link to purchase this wig. All I've done is take this wig out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in this orange packaging. To show you how long I've been rocking with Julia Hair, I remember when their packaging used to be pink and now it's orange. So the wig comes in this orange packaging. It's just a cardboard box. Other than the wig, they do have some other extras in this box. We have a orange silk storage sack. We have an edge band with their name on it. We have some HD stocking caps, and it looks like we have that twice. We also have another edge band. We have another stocking cap, and we have some press-on nails. Okay, I'm reading directly off of this packaging. Like I said, look in the description box. I'll put exactly what I ordered down there. So this is one of Julia Hair's byebyeknots wigs that I absolutely love. I have reviewed this wig in probably every texture they make at this point. That's how much I love it. It's a 7x5. It's 24 inches and it's a Yaki Straight. The reason why I love these wigs is because they are so affordable and they are so beginner friendly and they are really good quality. And those are the three things that I do to vet a wig, okay? Because we know I cannot comb hair, so I need something that's gonna be easy. We also know I don't like to spend a whole lot of money, so I need it affordable. And just look at this quality that Julia Hair gives. Oh, y'all, that's so pretty. Ooh. Okay. And everything is pre-done for you. Like when I watch other girls on YouTube and I see them like plucking stuff and bleaching stuff, I'm just sitting there quiet. Cause not me. The fact that I can order from Julia Hair and get all that pre-done, A+ in my book. Let's look at the scalp construction. Let's see. Alright, so there is that 7x5 parting space, which is more than enough for me. You get a comb here to the right, you get a comb to the left. Then in the back, you get some adjustable straps, you get an extended comb, and you have this adjustable glueless band, which is dope. The other thing that I love about these wigs is, and some other companies have done that, but Julia does that on all of their wigs, and I really like that they have this new drawstring here that makes this wig so adjustable to your head. The whole, you know, the whole, oh, is it big head friendly, any of that, that's out of the window now. You don't have to worry about this because with that drawstring being in here, this is literally adjustable to your head and it makes the wig feel so comfortable. Trust me on that. That's not gimmicky. I can promise you that drawstring is well worth the investment. Because you know me, I'll snatch a wig off in the middle of Target. This, if it starts to feel uncomfortable, this eliminates all of that. So I absolutely love that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wig on my head before I flat iron or anything, so you can see what it looks like straight out of the pack. I'm gonna run my flat iron through it, and then we'll be back with our final thoughts on this unit. You guys be right.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Y'all, so I'm making my final thoughts on this gorgeous beginner friendly wig, and with like every wig that I get from Julie Hair, y'all know I absolutely love it. I hope I put some footage on one side so you can see the full length, because of course I'm seated now. This is 24 inches long that I ordered, but I will say it is giving the full 24. Here's my belly button, and it's giving all the inches, because you know sometimes I order a wig, I order, you know, like a 24-inch wig, and I feel like it's 14 inches, right? That's not the case with Julia Hair. The other thing that I can say is not only is this a wig very good quality, very beginner friendly, y'all, this drawstring in the back of this wig makes this unit so comfortable on my head. Y'all know I only have like 3 cornrows, not a whole lot of hair, so I don't like feeling like I have a lot of hair on. This is the closest that I'm gonna get to that feeling of it feeling just so natural without all that extra rigmarole. The wig comes like pre-plucked and all that stuff, but then to add that drawstring in there makes this wig even more bomb.com. So can I recommend this one by Julia Hair? 1000%. At the end of this video, I'm gonna link another Julia Hair wig that I ordered when I ordered this one, and I absolutely loved that one as well. Y'all talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit, because I think this is a definite must in your wig arsenal. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.
Can you focus on me?